Hello, I'm Witch Nikki, and I have a few videos here that I'm going to put together. Some are pictures or whatever, showing this cross stitch challenge. It's not a challenge. It's like somebody says, "Oh, I challenge you to do this." No, it's a challenge for me because I've never done one like this. When I was a little girl, the kit would come with a screen that you would do cross stitches on. It was very easy. And I made some really nice things. That was a long, long, long time ago. But this here, what I'm about to show you, is the biggest challenge I've ever done as far as needlepoint and cross stitching goes. So let's see. I don't know which one was first, but I'm going to pick this one. Done from the middle. It was too hard to count out, so I just did a cross, five times. Okay, so I've been doing this for 2 days, not straight, but I kind of wanted to explain why I consider myself really busy, because this is very hard for me to do. In the description on Amazon, it said it was for beginners, which I'm a slight beginner. Okay, so we get this. You may ask, what the heck? Am I putting together another shelf or what? This design is not printed on this. You see? It's not printed at all. I've done this strictly by counting the teeny tiny little, can you see them? Like through here? Those teeny tiny little boxes have to have X's. Okay? So, on this side here, it shows the different colors and what the design looks like. So when you take this, you can find that design or number or letter or whatever it is, and then you'll know how to fill it in. That's how I did his head. And I'm not done with this head. I still have to go up here a little bit. Then I'll be pretty much done with this head. But there's all this other stuff going on here. It's driving me crazy. And so I'm counting. I'm doing the best of counting. And then slightly, you can't even tell really where maybe you can if I hold it close. You could kind of see where I've kind of marked it off just a little bit to let me know that I've done this. This string of crosses or X's or whatever you want to call them. I think they call it cross stitching because it makes you very cross. This is not peaceful. This is driving me crazy. And as far as, okay, it says, let's begin. Okay, here's the beginning. Okay. So it tells you to make sure that this material is folded in half. And that's why I have this pin here, because it says to put a pin in the middle. Okay. So when I first started to do it, it says like right close to there, then count 5 to the left, then do the little X's there, and I did that. And yeah, this is what it's turning out to be, and it does look nice. I'm trying to do the best I can, let me tell you. But this here, so it tells different kind of stitches that I'll be doing also, that I've learned to do in the other. But can you imagine? When I was a kid, they used to have this thing here printed on the material that you did it on. And there were big X's. Like you could see the holes. I can't see these holes. Look at this. And I got, here's without the light. And then, I don't know if you could, yeah, you could see the light right through it. So I have to turn on my phone light and shine it through so I could see the holes. Anyways, wish me luck. We'll see what I develop this into. So I've done from the middle. It was too hard to count out, so I just did a cross five times, because it said count to five times out. I came back this way, and then I believe, I'm not going into that one because that one I think was the first one I did, and there was some kind of mistake to it or something. But anyways, this is what I finally did. The ears and stuff is a little bit off, but I kind of figured I'm going to do the best that I can. And right here, I rounded it out a little bit. Let me see if I could get a better picture. See? Yeah, I rounded it out because when I first started, it was pretty flat. Like right across here, it was like that. Now I'm starting to add this color on, and this is going to go around. See? It's going to go just a little bit. And then right here and here are going to be where his little hands are holding on to this little travel case that he's in. I think here's another one, but it's a 5-minute video. Oh well. Let's see how it goes. No, it's just a picture. Sorry, I did do a video of it at one point, but I thought it was, but I just did a screenshot of it. This is at the very beginning when I'm trying to count from where that pin is over to here and do all of that. So this is like when it was in the beginning stages. But if you're not a beginner, I don't suggest you get a kit like this because it's just ridiculously hard. It's so difficult. Anyways, I've gone over 8 minutes now. I'm going to post this to YouTube. And, I mean, I'm getting pretty much done. Look at that. I mean, not done, but, you know, I'm getting there. It takes a while to do all of this. And there was one day I took a break because it was just too much. But we'll see how this looks. If it looks good, I bought 2 of them. So I might, if this one turns out really good, then I might give it to my daughter. Or I might do the next one and then I'll be able to do it better because I'll know what to do. I'm going to start working on it again today, a little bit later. But anyways, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.